Sneezes, nature's hidden power. A sneeze can blast out of your nose at a shocking 100 miles per hour, transforming a simple achoo into a powerful gust that rivals a strong wind. This unexpected speed turns the ordinary act of sneezing into a force of nature, with enough energy to send droplets flying across a room. It's not just a quirky fact, it's a vivid reminder of the power packed in everyday bodily functions. While we often dismiss a sneeze as mere inconvenience, its velocity is a testament to our body's incredible mechanics, designed to expel irritants with remarkable efficiency. Imagine the invisible impact each sneeze carries, propelling particles into the air at speeds that rival a hurricane's breeze. Next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember, you're about to unleash a small but mighty storm, a testament to the fascinating complexities hidden within our seemingly simple human actions.